Hello everybody, good morning. Bagong-bagong truck, sinira ng mga kuloko yung driver, oh. Tignan mo, oh. Ang lakas ng tunog sa ilalim. Kabago. Sira na nga agad. Yan na ba sinasabi ko, pag hindi marunong ang gumagamit, oh. Check engine. This is a very serious problem, I think, for this truck. Oh, see? Naka 55 lang siya, oh. I think this is a very big problem. Hindi na tumakbo. Buuang yung pinalitan ko, eh. Hindi marunong. Ayos na truck, di mo lang sa akin sinabi na may problem pala yung truck. That's why it's very iba talaga pag iba-iba gumagamit ng truck. Masisira at masisira ang truck. Kabago. Wala, iba, gamit lang ng gamit. Hala, bakbak lang ng bakbak. Wala silang pakailam. Peace. That is my vlog from now. It's a broken truck. You see, automatic. Always automatic. Automatic is a very serious problem. If they don't know how to use something like only driving, you don't know how to operate the machine, the mechanics, the computer, so it's hard to be drive here in Europe. This is a new one truck, see? Kamilyon, sinira. Di ba?